Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this expression 170 divided 17 times 10. Many people think that the answer is 1 because 170 divided by 17 times 10 is 170 and 170 divided by 170 is 1, which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you heard it right. So there is a division and multiplication sign, and as per Bodmas and Bradford's rule, multiplication and division both have same priority. But there is a contradiction also that you have to always solve it from left to right. So what is in the left? 170 divided by 17 times 10. You have to write this expression like this. So this gave us 10. Now 10 times 10 is 100. So what is the correct answer? 100, not 1. Do not forget that you have to solve it from left to right always. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.